take students from the different schools in Georgia and we teach you research